Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vanati and I create content related to beauty and fashion. Please take a moment to subscribe and click the notification icon to get more updates on my channel. Let's jump into the video. So today's video is all about these lip glosses launched by Lakme a while ago. These are called as Lakme Absolute Spotlight Lip Gloss. There are apparently 6 to 7 shades available in this range, and I got my hands on these two shades. The shades are Creme Caramel, which is this one, and the other one is Deep Flamingo, which looks like this. These lip glosses come in these kind of glass packaging, and when you open it, you do have a doe foot applicator. I hope you can see that. This is how it looks like. It actually picks up a lot of products, so it is suggested that you drain some of the products in this and then go ahead and apply. Also, you can see that this is kind of bulky. Like if I can show a close-up and compare my palm with it, you can actually see that this is a bulky packaging. So it's not something that you can carry it in your purse and then forget it. This is kind of like heavy and bulky. So that's about the package. So let's talk about the formula. Formula wise, these glosses are not actually glosses. They're very thick. They almost feel like a cream lipstick. Let me show you a close-up swatch. So if you can see, this is actually very opaque, and you don't actually see a lot of gloss in there, if you can see. And also, let's just say I applied this in my lips, and after some time I'm going to dab off a little bit of gloss. The gloss kind of disappears, and it almost looks like a lipstick. That's how it is. You can also use it that way. This is actually very opaque, and also it transfers a lot. Like as you know, this is actually a gloss, so you cannot expect much from it. It actually transfers everywhere. One good thing is you can actually wear this lip gloss on its own. You don't need any lipstick underneath. Even if you wear, I don't think it's going to show. I've never tried it, but if you try, please let me know how it looks. That's all about the formula and consistency. Let's talk about the lasting power of these lip glosses. These lip glosses will stay in your lips for 4 to 5 hours if you do not eat or drink anything. But if you are going to do so, it is going to disappear. One good thing is it's not going to disappear from inside of your lips and going to look very bad. That's not what is going to happen here. With these lip glosses, they just disappear completely. Like leaves a very nice tint, which you can actually carry it out for the rest of the day. If you want, you can reapply, because this is kind of a creamy matte, so you wouldn't have any problem reapplying it in the middle of the day. These lipsticks are priced at rupees 675. It is available in Nykaa and some other online websites as well. I believe this is available on stores, but I haven't really checked it out. Please let me know if you can find it in stores as well. I actually bought them off Nykaa. I just saw Nykaa website, it was written as a new launch, and I was kind of intrigued by the product. That's why I went ahead and bought this product. Now let's talk about pros and cons of this lip gloss. Talking about pros, this lipstick is actually non-sticky. By non-sticky, I don't mean nothing sticks to it, but this is kind of a, it feels like a creamy matte lipstick and not a lip gloss. So you wouldn't feel that you're wearing a lip gloss. You actually would feel like you're wearing a lipstick, which is a very good thing. And the other thing is, this lip gloss is very opaque, so you can actually wear it without a lipstick, which is also a good thing, because some people have a problem wearing lipstick and then lip gloss on top. So this works on its own. The other good thing is it has got very good shade range, starting from light to dark, but you wouldn't find unusual colors, or if you are looking for something specific, you wouldn't find, because this is a lip gloss, so you cannot expect much from the shade range. So these are pros about this product. Now, coming to the cons of this product, the very first con is that this is a very pricey product, meaning this costs 675 rupees. Yes, you can actually get pricier lip glosses than this one, but this is Lakme, so you would actually expect some affordable product from this. Even though this is of mid-range, I think you can pay for the price, considering you don't have to buy a separate lipstick. This itself will do the job. Secondly, it transfers a lot. It transfers everywhere. So if you are someone who wants a transfer proof lipstick or lip gloss, this is not something that you can go for. Now let's jump into this swatch. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.